Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how I made this pretty little bonnet here. This is a magenta satin and I used some polka dot to go on the inside. It's a knit. Okay, so what I did was I did a gather. And if you're not familiar with a gather, I believe I do have a video showing where I gathered, but either way, this is just me tying it up. And I like to shape it around the crown of my head to make sure it's wider than the actual band that I use. So with the you put your machine on the highest stitching. That's for to be able to do a gather. But anyway, as you can see, I'm tying knots on both sides. That way my gather stitches stay intact. So my headband is about 20 inches. I found that the 20-inch band fits a little better, and I want to say this one is about 3.5 wide. But anyway, as you can see, I'm going to take my folded headband and place it over the gathers. And again, you can see on this side, I try to make it a little bit easier without my big hands in the way. But anyway, I'm just kind of showing you how I make this. I will have a series coming up. That way, it'll be more of a behind the scenes approach. It will actually be an entire class. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, this is what's going on. So some people don't need a class, and this might be for you because I think this will be a little bit more of a visual guide of doing it with the gather and using a material that's more familiar than what I did in one of my other videos. But anyway, so as you can see, you add a few clips. This one does not require as much as the pleated, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to link the pleated one. That one was the video before this one. And as you can see, I use my serger to go around, but as a good tip, you can go ahead and do a stitch around it, like a base stitch, and then use your serger if you like to make sure everything stays in place. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all later.